व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल। हाँ भैया, ब्यूटीफुल बोले तो हाँ, उसको ध्यान मत देना, लेक्चर चल रहा है अभी अपना। ब्यूटीफुल बोले तो आपका कॉन्सेंट्रेट जाता है उसके तरफ, वो नहीं। This is your senior educator, Mr. Ajay Maske Patil from Latun English Pattern. So guys, session in this lecture, I'm going to teach you what is meant by sentences, then types of sentences, how to identify subject and predicate. So many students did comment on last session, sir, I want a lecture on how to find out predicate, how to find out subject like that. And sir, tell the foundation of that language. And the foundation of the language means, foundation of any language means, guys, how to identify sentence, types of sentences. Look guys, everyone known as, look, alphabet. What is in by alphabet? Yeah, you know that. A letter, the group of letter is known as alphabet. There are 26 alphabet in English language. This is divided in two class, upper class and lower class. Then these are divided in vowels and consonants. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U, and consonant remaining 21st letter are consonants. These are then letters from words. Words, what is meant by a meaningful letters? Okay, if we combine a letter like that, look, APPLE, apple. This is the combination of letters. We have combined APPLE, and that makes a proper sense. This is known as a word. Letters from words, words from sentences, sentences from paragraph, and paragraph from literature, paragraphs from books, literature, blah 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 things. So lot of students commented me on last session and asked me, sir, tell us the types of sentences. Look, बच्चों रट्टा मत मारो, समझ के लेना, concept clear, okay? Don't mug up. Only the focus on how to clear that concept, okay? So what is mean by sentence, okay? A group of words or a group of letters that make a complete sense. What? A group of words that make or that create a complete sense is known as a sentence. Look, what guys? Humpty sit on the bank of river. This is sentence. What? Humpty sit on the bank of river. That, look, Humpty 1, sit 2, on 3, D 4, bank 5 of the river 6. These are 6 words, and that words combine and that create a complete sense. In the simple way, the definition of sentence is words. We combine the words and that create, that focus a meaningful sense. And that sentence, look, Humpty sit on the bank of the river. जो एक हम्टी नाम का बच्चा है वो बैंक के साइड में बैठा है. बैंक ऑफ द रिवर यानी एक रिवर के जो नदी जा रही है उसके बाजू में वो बैठा है. अभी पूछोगे सर वो क्या कर रहा है वहां पे, हमें वो पता नहीं, वो क्या कर रहा है वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, लेकिन ये जो सेंटेंस है वो जो है ना कंप्लीट सेंस कर रहा है, दे रहा है ना सेंस, पता है ना, बट नॉनसेंस नहीं बेटा, सेंस यहाँ पे सेंस. तो देखेंगे अपन. नाउ जस्ट लुक हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस. देयर आर मेन 4 टाइप्स ऑफ सेंटेंस. फर्स्ट इज assertive, ASSERATIVE, assertive. A sentence that makes assertion means just that sentence give information, fact or real fact, just like that, such fact, only information. This is marker. What? This is marker that only provide a information. Otherwise, I have marker. What? This is possession. That is assertion. What guys? Assertion. A sentence that makes statement. What guys? A sentence that makes statement is known as assertive sentence. Look, this is marker. I have marker. This is only a statement. After that, another type of sentence is, guys, another type. Look, we have cleared assertive. Another type, interrogative. What is meant by interrogative? Interrogative, a sentence that asks a question. A sentence that asks a question is known as interrogative. Like that, look, is this marker? Is this whiteboard? Have you whiteboard? Have you pen? Have you Android mobile? Have you used a YouTube channel? Have you run a YouTube channel? These are questions. Look, which TV, which LED in your home? कौन-सी आहे? कौन-सा यूज करते हो भैया आप? ये जो है ना वो क्या है, इंट्रोगेटिव, यानी क्या अपन क्वेश्चन उसे आस्क करें. पहला जो है असरेशन यानी सिंपल स्टेटमेंट. कौन सा भी स्टेटमेंट है उसे क्या बोलते हैं, असरेटिव यानी डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस, असरेटिव सेंटेंस उसे कहते हैं जो कि स्टेटमेंट है कौन सा भी. दिस इज फैन, दिस इज व्हाइट बोर्ड, आई हैव व्हाइट बोर्ड. दिस इज कर्टन, आई हैव कर्टन. लुक देयर इज अ माइक. दिस इज शर्ट, आई हैव शर्ट. दिस इज चेक शर्ट, आई हैव चेक शर्ट. ओके, लाइक दैट. आई हैव वॉच, दिस इज वॉच. What? This is statement. But interrogative means, is this shirt, is this marker, is this whiteboard, have you whiteboard, have you YouTube channel, have you Android mobile? These are what? Interrogative. That makes question. The statement or the sentences which makes question is known as interrogative sentence. Now third type, guys. Look guys, third type, what? Exclamatory. Exclamatory. Oh, exclamatory. Before some time, I just said like that. Oh, what a beautiful. हाँ भैया, ब्यूटीफुल बोले तो हाँ उसको ध्यान मत देना, लेक्चर चल रहा है अभी अपना. ब्यूटीफुल बोले तो आपका कॉन्सेंट्रेट जाता है उसके तरफ, वो नहीं. ब्यूटीफुल रेनबो भी हो सकता है, ब्यूटीफुल नेचर भी हो सकता है. ब्यूटीफुल सिर्फ वही नहीं, इधर देखो ब्यूटीफुल. ओ माय गॉड, ब्यूटीफुल. Look, exclamatory means what? A sudden feeling, a sentence or a statement that which used to express a sudden feeling. Beautiful, awesome, oh God, how sad, thank you, welcome. These are the exclamatory sentences. And number last is, fourth one is what, guys? Look, negative sentences. Assertive means what? A positive statement. A declarative means a positive statement. In negative, just like that. This is marker. This is not marker. This is not marker. Negative sentence which shows a negative information, which denotes a negative meaning or negative statement, is known as negative sentence. These now you have get the idea what is in my sentence. A sentence, a group of words which create or which make a proper sense, is known as what? Sentence. There are four types of sentence. Assertive means declarative, then interrogative, then exclamatory, then negative. These are the four types of sentence. Now we have another two types of, while you are speaking in English language, that type you should use another two types of sentence, and these are like WH interrogative and WH interrogative negative. I will teach that what is meant by WH in another lesson, in another video. WH family, in that video I will provide. In the description I will provide a link. You should click on that link and you should clear all the what is meant by WH family. You can clear all that things. Okay guys, so now how to identify subject and predicate. What we are talking about, something is known as predicate, and the thing or the person or anything which focuses on, that is known as subject. Now look, doctor is God. In that doctor, that a subject, and God is predicate. What we focuses on, subject is what we focus on, thing or name, doctor, and predicate God. In the simple way guys, how to identify subject and predicate. Now you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, then do comment in comment section. I will clear each and every doubt. Guys, thank you. Do like, subscribe and share to my channel. Thank you so much.